Hello students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn about some very interesting chapters of computer. So let's start with our third chapter, that is concept of Windows. So students, before we start our chapter, let's have a quick look on some lesson objectives. Features of Windows 10, Windows Taskbar, selecting and deselecting, icons, selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items, opening a program, arranging the desktop items, sorting the icons, changing the desktop background, mouse pointer shapes, shut down a computer. So students, now we have some warm-up questions. First question is, who manages all the working at your homes? आपके घर पे सारा काम कौन मैनेज करता है? सेकेंड, डू एवरी सिस्टम ऑफ वर्क नीड्स अ मैनेजर? क्या हर काम करने वाली जगह पे एक मैनेजर होना ज़रूरी है? थर्ड, डज कंप्यूटर ऑल्सो नीड अ मैनेजर? क्या कंप्यूटर में एक मैनेजर ज़रूरी है या होना चाहिए? फोर्थ, द मैनेजर इन अ कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. स्टेट ट्रू और फॉल्स. कंप्यूटर के मैनेजर को ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कहते हैं. क्या ये सही है या गलत? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर चैप्टर. हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड हाउ डिफरेंट हाउसहोल्ड जॉब्स एट योर होम आर डन so smoothly? It is only possible because of your parents. Manage all the works at home. In fact, they act like managers. A computer has different part and does different kind of works at a time. It also require a manager. The manager in a computer is called the operating system, which can instruct all different parts of the computer. Now our next topic is operating system. It is the set of instructions. Those are loaded into main memory. When we switch on the computer, this process is known as booting system. Now our next topic is MS Window. MS Window is the most popular system software in the world. It is made by a company named Microsoft Corporation USA. When we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded into the computer's memory. This process is called booting. While booting is taking place, a picture of Windows flag display on the monitor. MS Window operating system is used by most people because it is easy to use. It provides graphical interface with the user. All programs are arranged in different files and folders. It has icons which help to do different things quickly. MS Window has many versions such as, now student, you can see these pictures. These are some examples of MS Windows, that is Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. So students, our next topic is features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is more attractive, having a complete set of new pictures, themes and icons. It includes the best features of Windows 7 and Windows 8. It provides virtual desktop. It has an improved search tool called Cortana. It has new task view button to the right of the search box on the taskbar. Windows 10 provides a Windows Store application where we can get a lot of free apps, games and songs and universal apps. So students, before we start our next topic, let's know an interesting fact. William Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation, the world's leading software company. Now students, our next topic is components of Windows 10 icons. The small picture or symbols having names on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific program or document. Users can easily use this icon by clicking on it. Our next topic is Windows Taskbar. Taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop. There is a row of buttons and icons in the taskbar. It consists of Start button, Toolbar, Task Manager, System Tray area and Notification area. So students, here you can see a pictures of Windows Taskbar. In the Windows Taskbar, we have Start button. So students, let's learn about the Start button in detail. Start button is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. On clicking Start button, a list of options appears. This list is called Start menu. We will also find search option and can search any program. This menu contains many options like All Apps, Cortana, Search Box, Power Option and some other application programs. Now students, next we have Selecting and Deselecting icons. To get access into a particular program, we need to select the icon of that program and press the enter button or double click the icon. Now let's learn about selecting an icon in detail. Press the mouse pointer on any icon. Click in the left mouse button once. The color of the icon will be changed into blue. This means the icon is selected. Now we can move, copy or anything which we want to do with it. Next we have deselecting an icon. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Select the left mouse button once. The color of the icon will be changed into original color. This means the icon is deselected and it will not be moved now. Now students, after selecting and deselecting icons, let's learn about selecting adjacent and non-adjacent icon. We can select multiple icons in the following way. First is adjacent and second is non-adjacent. So let's learn about selecting adjacent icon. To select adjacent file or folders, left click on the first icon to be selected, then hold down the shift key and click on the last icon to be selected. Release the shift key and all the icons will be selected. Now our next topic is selecting a non-adjacent icon. To select non-adjacent files or folder, hold the control key and click once on each of the icon to be selected. All the non-adjacent files or folders are selected. Now students, our next topic is opening a program. We can open a particular program in two ways. Click the icon which you want to select and press the enter key. The application window till open, or double click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Which method is convenient to you, follow that one. So students, after all this, now our next topic is sorting or arranging a desktop icon. Sorting the desktop icon means arranging them in a proper sequence according to the requirement of the user. You may arrange the desktop icon by name, type, date or size. Follow these steps to arrange the icon. So, if you want to arrange your icons on your desktop, follow these steps. First, right click a blank area on the desktop and then click sort by. Click the command that indicates how you want to arrange the icons by name, size, item, type, date, modified. If you want the icon to be automatically arranged, make a right click on desktop, then click on view, then auto arrange icons. Now our next topic is changing desktop background. How can we change our desktop background? It is more fun to choose what background you want on your desktop. If you are bored with any background of Windows 10, you may change the appearance. To do this, follow the steps to change the background of your desktop. If you want to change your background of your desktop, follow these steps. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left of your screen right next to the search bar. Now click on Setting, then Personalization, then Background. Now the background page will come up which allow you to preview or choose several photos of your desktop background. You can choose any of these. Click on the box underneath background to choose between a picture, solid color or slideshow for your background, and then you can apply. Now click on one of the options or click browse to choose one from your computer. Click on whatever photo you want and it will appear as your desktop background. Now, if you don't like the layout of the photo, you can click on the box underneath, choose a fit to choose between fill, fit, stretch, tile or center option for your background. Now students, after changing your background, how can you change your screensaver? So, our next topic is changing the screensaver, an animation or image which replace on unchanging computer display after a period of inactivity. To change the screensaver, do the following steps. If you want to change your screensaver, you have to follow these steps. First, click on the Windows icon in the lower left of your screen right next to the search bar. Now, click on Setting, then Personalization, then Lock Screen. Now scroll down the lock screen setting and click on Screensaver setting in the right pane. Here you can adjust the setting according to your preferences. Now students, before we start our next topic, let's know an interesting fact. When a computer is switched on, Windows take a few seconds to load an operating system. This process of loading the OS is known as booting. Now, Windows 10 offers the following 6 screensavers: 3D text, blank, bubbles, mystify, photos and ribbons. If you want to add photos as a screensaver, select photo from the drop-down list of screensaver. Click on Settings. Now browse for the pictures, then OK. You may select slideshow speed according to your requirement, slow, medium, fast. Click on Save. Now Windows 10 will use the photos saved in the selected folder for screensaver. So this is how you change your screensaver. Now after all this, how do we shut our computer? So our next topic is shutting down a computer. After changing the background, screensaver, desktop icons, how will you shut down your computer? Let's learn about it. Shutdown is term used to describe the process of closing all software programs in preparation to turn off a computer power. It prevents data corruption. To shut down a computer, perform the following steps. You have to follow these steps if you want to shut down your computer. Click on the Start button. A Start menu will open. Now, click on the Power button just above the Start button. A pop-up with 3 options, that is Sleep, Shut Down and Restart, will come up. From the given option, select Shut Down. If your file is not saved, then it will ask you to save the file first before shutdown. So student, this is how you will shut down your system. So what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some key points. Windows is an operating system that controls and manages the function of computer. विंडोज़ एक ऐसा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है जो कंप्यूटर को चलाने, उसको मैनेज करने और उसको कंट्रोल करने में मदद करता है. विंडोज़ 10 इज द मोस्ट रीसेंट वर्जन ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. विंडोज़ 10 माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का एक सबसे लेटेस्ट वर्जन है जो आज के डेट में काफ़ी पॉपुलर है. Each icon on desktop represent an application program or document. डेस्कटॉप पे जितनी भी आइकन हैं वो एक प्रोग्राम या किसी फाइल को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। टू सिलेक्ट एन आइकन सिंपली लेफ्ट क्लिक ऑन इट। अगर आपको कोई भी आइकन सेलेक्ट करना है तो आपको उस पर जाकर लेफ्ट क्लिक करना है। नाउ द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ अ डेस्कटॉप चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द यूजर्स चॉइस। हम अपने हिसाब से अपने लिए बैकग्राउंड चूज कर सकते हैं या उसको सेव कर सकते हैं। So students, this is it from this chapter. Soon we are going to learn about many interesting chapters of computer. Till then, revise what we learned today. Thank you.